Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and I shall just get to it. Could not get that out there, sorry. So this is another country scene, and it's starting to get a bit better. You can see that there was bumps in the road there, and there's a little bit of a hill, and it's a farmhouse with like a kind of farm buildings beside it, along with the road running up to the top, and then trees and shrubs and different things like that. So you can get the gist of what I was trying to capture, and these took me 2.5 minutes to capture these. I am starting to gain quicker speed with these. Just need to keep going and utilising the usual learning methods: geometric, observational, gestural, good speed, specifically the good speed in that then creates the feedback loop, which is where you then learn and what to do and what not to do. Let me know what you think. Bye guys.